Dave Moss, we're at Brunswick, Maryland. Got m408 pulling out. Oh, he's going on that side. The rock runner rolling through on track one. Got this signal going out. How many fallen flags we can find. A couple right there. Crew's having fun with the rail ferns, egging them on. Going out of Dodge. Nice little horn show. It's like a Chicago Northwestern hopper. That's just graffiti. Oh, it's Chicago Northwest. It's covered up, but it's a looks like a Chicago Northwestern. Covered up and painting dark green. Telephone poles. Camper lumber. We got a Connie Rail white coil car and graffitied all up. Kind of work through some of the switches to pull out, and then they'll cross over to track one once it clears Weaverton, over in Weaverton area. hydrochloric acid. You have orange hydrochloric acid. Yep. Something going on down that way. Ambulance went through there 5 minutes ago. Boy, that gondola has been overloaded a couple times. Got a big belly in it. Sodium hydrochloride. It's only when they're pulling out slow like this, you get a good look at the cars. Wisconsin Central. Wisconsin Central. WC. Not water closet. Old. These are pre-CSX. Fallen flag's not showing through. The old REMX. That one's got some RBMN. The family line systems coming up. That one you can actually see it fading through. The old paint was better. Old Kansas City Southern. KCS. Salt Train Harbor. Got some rattle to it. Yeah, he's starting to pick up speed, getting out on the main line. He's waiting till it clears the yard. Long, heavy train. Hydrochloric acid tanker. JBS. They're filming too. late 70s, early 80s. Coil cars, and then these are the newer style. Some there's a few that needs scrubbed over. Nice shiny hopper car. It's a big hoppers. $22,000 tons. 22,000 tons. There's a lot of grain fitting these things. Close enough look at the date on these, but it was 20. Yeah, it was built 24. Yeah, it was also 24. Yeah, these are brand spanking new. The axles aren't even. It's still got the blue on the axle hub. Look like they're empty though. And back more, get more grain. It's like kind of clouding up on the east. Yeah, finally got the end of the train down there yonder. Yeah, 2 engines. That's a lot of train for only 2 engines. Means a lot of them are empty. They might struggle getting up past Shenandoah Junction or towards Martinsburg. Once they get past Martinsburg, kind of flattens out. A little bit uphill, but follows the river. That point west. They wouldn't have had to go on the other side of the river by Harper's Ferry. They'd be flat river running or water level route the whole way, but now had priority. It was only got used for 20 years, or effectively used for 20 years. Slowly leaning into it. Gonna be screeching when it gets up to Shenandoah Junction. David Moss, thanks for watching. It's m408. It's a rock runner just past sunset.